Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox if you haven't get it yet. So first of all you have to click on this three dot. Now go to settings, now go to in privacy. Once you are in privacy, just scroll down and you will see here camera input. You just need to enable the second permission. Use camera to animate your avatar with the movement. Just need to click on this toggle button and click on this toggle button to enable. Click on enable the camera. So once you enable the camera, you just need to open any game that support uh, camera as communication. Let's open any game. Let's open this game. Once you enter the camera or enter the game, you just need to click on this toggle button to enable or video icon to enable your face tracking. Just click on this video icon and you will get this face tracking on Roblox. Now, if you move your head, it will start tracking your head, and that's how you can get this face tracking. Fine. So hope you like it, and you will see here this mic icon as well. So this so basically this green button or the green dot shows that Roblox is using your camera. So that's how you can get it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.